Hello guys, it's me. Well, what's up? What's poppin' today? So, I told you I would be showing you all my fidgets. And so I am. So here are basically all my fidgets. I put them in columns. So here's some fidgets. I don't know what they're called. What they call snake one, snake noodles, monkey noodles, yes, that stuff. Then we got playful things, just you have to do that with it. Just rub things. Here's aesthetics, you know, these stuff. And magnet fidget right there. I lost the other pair and I'm going like this to everything. So yes, still haven't found it. Magnet, okay. And then we got these watches, fake watches. They're included of the fidget pack, and I had no idea. And then we have stress balls. Yeah, and stress ball. Yes, we have more stress balls. Yes, and we got more squishy things. Squishy, 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 squishy. This part, squishy and squishy. And then we just got random stuff. We got a random car. I don't know. That's not a fidget. I don't know why it's there. And then we have this puppet. It's got a puppet. It's a puppet. It's a puppet notebook. Okay, people. And then we have this thing. Lots of stuff inside it, as you can see. And then we have these things. You squish them, they just crawl back to life. Yes. Oh, there's different colors of them. And then we have these bows. And then we have so much mochis. Look at all our mochis. These are all my mochis. I love mochis. They're just really fun to play with. As you can see, mochi. And I'll show you my two favorite mochis. So I like this mochi the most. And no, this is my most favorite of them all. And just as different characters. So this is Black Widow. And this is Captain America. And my least favorite is this one. Just don't really like it. Oh no, sorry. Just, yeah, don't like you. And this is the most legendariest mochi I have. So if you want them, you can have them, but you have to pay for them. Yeah. La 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 la. Money, money, money. Okay, and then we have dimples. The dimple place. Ooh. That's like the puppet place, and this is like the dimple place. Dimples. And then we have shakeables. You shake them. Yes. And then we have random fidgets. You're the light. And then, yeah, that's supposed to be over there. Yeah, just random fidget. But my favorite of them all, this one. And then the mochis and then the squishies. I like the mochis and the squishies the same bit, but I think I like the squishies better than the mochis. And then I like this thing, that kind of thing. I like the magnet too. I like the stress balls. I like that too. Just really love the dimples. Stop falling onto the ground. Yes, and today I'll be doing a song for you made out of this. So, on my fidgets. And remember I'll be doing a face reveal at 20 subscribers. So yes, if you want that, you can do it. So I'm just gonna put that. Okay, let's put it a little bit up, maybe. Don't bring me down. Down, down. Don't bring me down. Don't bring me down, down. Don't bring me down. When I'm singing my song, down, down. Don't bring me down. Ooh, ooh, yes, I can. Don't bring me down. Down, down, don't bring me down. Down, down, don't bring me down. Down. As a dimple. No, ready? Ready? Ooh, ooh. And I got to eat. Oh, I eat. And then, ooh. Yes, dimples. Dimple. Dimple. This bit. You know, anything could be a fidget. You know, like I could pick a random thing. Probably a pop stick. I don't know. This is a fidget now. Yeah. Do you like this? That could be a fidget. No, and you could bend it a little bit. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and comment down below if you what videos I should do next. So, love you all. Wait, where's my heart? Wait, where's my heart? I need to find my heart. Let's see. Let me just wait. I'll just wait for another heart. Bum ba dum bum. No, you're fidget, not a heart. Where?